Hi, my name is Ernie Weinberg, and I'm the assistant of Sandy Perez of Sandy Perez Dog Walking. Hey, look at the dogs playing. Here's Sandy the dog walker playing with the dogs.
Okay, enough with the narration, okay? We can do without it.
This is for the website, right?
No!
Oh. Yeah, I'll send it to you.
I want to share it with his mom and dad. So shut up.
Well, they are having a great time, huh? Was that Charlie and what's his name? Harry, right?
That's Rocky.
Rocky
and Harry.
Rocky and Harry. He has the same name as the other one then. Oh, I see.
Yeah, sit. Ernie.
And they're both black.
Ernie, no.
Yeah, I'll definitely upload it today and send it.
You guys have to play right next to me.
There goes Chunk and Charlie. Charlie's trying to hump Chunk.
The Chunk loves to play with Charlie. Missy.
Here I am. Uh-oh, Harry's rolling over.
Sit.
Hey. Ernie's a pit bull.
Look at Missy. Look at Missy.
There goes Missy. Missy's rolling over.
Missy poo.
Missy, come. You're coming right, Missy. Biscuit time.
Don't tease her.
He doesn't understand. Only Daisy understands that.
Okay, Ernie.
Charlie, take
I
some.
almost have a feeling like Ernie feels like he has to go in and defend
Who?
Ernie.
Want me to get Ernie right now?
No, Ernie.
They're playing. Harry, you're better. This is the one that got attacked by Ernie, the black one.
Are you
That's terrible.
I said we could do without the narration.
Oh yeah, I'll cut that out. Sorry. Yeah, because they hear that. That part I'll cut out, okay? Harry and Charlie, boy, they are very. They're great. They're going to be buddies, Harry and Charlie, huh? Did they know each other from before?
No. This is the first time we meet.
Maybe Rocky and Ernie will be friends. Well, they really played hard. Boy, yeah, they're going to be a good team. I'll put like a minute of it on there. And do the whole thing.
Sit.
I think that's enough, huh?
That's enough. Come on, Missy.